To manage Bill4Time QuickBooks integration, start by understanding the basics of both systems. Bill4Time is a time and billing software, while QuickBooks is an accounting software. Integrating the two allows for seamless data transfer, saving time and reducing errors. First, ensure you have a Bill4Time account and a QuickBooks account. Next, navigate to the Bill4Time settings page and select the QuickBooks integration option. You will be prompted to enter your QuickBooks login credentials, which will link the two accounts. Once connected, you can configure the integration settings to determine how data is transferred between the two systems. This includes setting up mapping for clients, projects, and invoice items. For example, you can map Bill4Time clients to QuickBooks customers and Bill4Time projects to QuickBooks jobs. To sync data, navigate to the Bill4Time invoices page and select the invoices you want to transfer to QuickBooks. You can filter invoices by date, client, or project, making it easy to manage large volumes of data. Click the Sync button, and the selected invoices will be transferred to QuickBooks. Best practices for managing Bill4Time QuickBooks integration include regularly reviewing and reconciling data to ensure accuracy and consistency. It is also essential to establish a routine for syncing data, such as daily or weekly, to maintain up-to-date records. Additionally, consider setting up multiple users with different permission levels to control access to sensitive data. This ensures that only authorized personnel can manage the integration and transfer data between the two systems. By following these steps and implementing best practices, you can effectively manage your Bill4Time QuickBooks integration, streamline your workflow, and improve overall productivity. This integration provides a powerful tool for managing time, billing, and accounting, allowing you to focus on growing your business.